Let me show you some of the most popular accessories available for Ram trucks. For ease of access and to enhance the look of your truck, Mopar makes a range of side assist steps. Shown here in stainless steel, they are also available in chrome and black. For entire bed protection, we're featuring a spray-in liner, which comes with a lifetime warranty. Also available is our Access brand Lorado tonneau cover. Easy to install, easy to operate, keeps things in your bed dry. For protection against the elements, we offer Mopar splash guards, as well as Expel Clear Protection Film, which has a 10-year warranty against yellowing, fading, peeling, cracking, and we've covered the most popular areas: the hood, the fender, door edges, sills, bumper. It's going to protect you from the harsh salt and road grime that we in Minnesota have to live with. Heated and cooled seats are also an option that can be added to both the front and the rear. This vehicle is equipped with a custom leather interior by Roadwire. They offer a lifetime warranty and offer endless options as far as different color stitching, different colored leathers, different variety in the leather, perforation, carbon fiber. The options are endless. These are just a few of the many options that are available to you to personalize your vehicle here at Ryan Auto Mall. Give us a call if we can be of assistance. 763-684-4464 is our direct line. Thank you.